Question 1. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Tashi Malik. B. Arunima Sinha. C. Anshu Jamsempa. D. Bachendri Pal. Answer D. Bachendri Pal. Question 2. How many continents are there in the world? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Correct answer C. 7. Question 3. Which Indian state is known as the land of the rising sun? A. Assam. B. Manipur. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Tripura. Correct answer C. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 4. What is the highest rank in the Indian Police Service? IPS. A. Inspector General. B. Director General of Police. DGP. C. Superintendent of Police. SP. D. Deputy Superintendent of Police. DSP. Correct answer B. Director General of Police. DGP. Question 5. Which of the following is not a part of the Indian Police Service? A. Indian Police Service. IPS. B. Indian Administrative Service. IAS. C. Indian Forest Service. IFS. D. Indian Railway Protection Force. IRPF. Correct answer B. Indian Administrative Service. IAS. Question 6. Who was the first Indian to head of the World Bank? A. Raghuram Rajan. B. Manmohan Singh. C. Ajay Banga. D. Nandan Nilekani. Correct answer C. Ajay Banga. Question 7. Who is known for the theory of relativity and the famous equation E is equal to mc superscript 2? A. Nikola Tesla. B. Michael Faraday. C. Albert Einstein. D. Galileo Galilei. Correct answer is C. Albert Einstein. Question 8. Which notable Oxford professor won the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics? A. Peter Higgs. B. Stephen Hawking. C. Richard Feynman. D. Roger Penrose. Correct answer D. Roger Penrose. Question 9. Who is known as the father of computers? A. Alan Turing. B. Charles Babbage. C. John von Neumann. D. Steve Jobs. Correct answer is B. Charles Babbage. Question 10. Which element has the chemical symbol O? A. Osmium. B. Oxygen. C. Gold. D. Ozone. Correct answer is B. Oxygen. Question 11. Which bird is a symbol of peace? A. Eagle. B. Dove. C. Sparrow. D. Parrot. Correct answer is B. Dove. Question 12. The Great Wall of China was built to protect against which invaders? A. Persians. B. Russians. C. Japanese. D. Mongols.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting upcoming videos.
Correct answer is D. Mongols. Question 13. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Hydrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer is D. Carbon dioxide. Question 14. Which is the smallest country in the world? A. Luxembourg, B. Nauru, C. Vatican City, D. Monaco. Correct answer is C. Vatican City. Question 15. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? A. Amelia Earhart, B. Valentina Tereshkova, C. Bessie Coleman, D. Sally Ride. Correct answer is A. Amelia Earhart. Question 16. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? A. Spain, B. United Kingdom, C. France, D. Italy. Correct answer is C. France. Question 17. Which organ in the human body is primarily responsible for filtering blood? A. Liver, B. Kidneys, C. Heart, D. Lungs. Correct answer is B. Kidneys. Question 18. Which chemical is often used in swimming pools to keep the water clean? A. Sodium, B. Fluorine, C. Iodine, D. Chlorine. Correct answer is D. Chlorine. Question 19. Which is the largest desert in the world? A. Arabian Desert, B. Gobi Desert, C. Sahara Desert, D. Antarctic Desert. Correct answer is D. Antarctic Desert. Question 20. Which famous physicist is associated with the discovery of black holes? A. Isaac Newton, B. Stephen Hawking, C. Albert Einstein, D. Max Planck. Before revealing the answer, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching. Correct answer is B. Stephen Hawking.